Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be fine. Have you are spending good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome my YouTube channel. I hope friends you will be fine spending a good and lavish life. I shared with you beautiful design ideas in this channel and introduce beautiful textile pillow covers, and these pillow covers are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas which are related to the crochet pattern and share the very beautiful extends design ideas. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. So friend, let's come and I share with you beautiful ideas. In this video I introduce new and great ideas that are related to the Christmas nail crochet designs. I hope you will be enjoy my weird up like string ideas, and these are very elegant, monumental and unique ideas in this video I share. Don't forget to subscribe and you will create different type of ideas. You know that crochet pillow covers are essential part to spending a good and lavish life, and it's increase your beautiful and pretty, make your home most pretty. And I hope you will be enjoy my ideas that are completely converted different to each other. So you like my ideas and you will be gain different type of knowledge criteria to watching my videos, because it's are very beautiful and dimensionally different to each other. I hopefully you will be gain different knowledge criteria. So friend, like my ideas which I shared with you. These are very beautiful and unique designs are completely different to each other, and I hope you will be in gain different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. I hope friends you will be gain different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video, and friends you will be gain different ideas. Thank you friends to watching this video. I hope you will be enjoy. Inshallah next time I will meet you with a new crochet ideas. To take care friends, and next time I shared with you beautiful ideas that are related to the crochet pattern. वालेकुम अस्सलाम।